How to install the front air intake adapter and hose for Mark II AC. To install the front air inlet duct adapter, you will need a screwdriver or similar object for removing the front air inlet board. The front air inlet duct adapter is available for purchase on our website, or you can also find the 3D printable file on our Mark II community. Carefully insert the screwdriver into the gap around the front air inlet. Gently apply pressure to remove the front air inlet board. Take the front air inlet duct adapter and align its two clasps with the corresponding ports on the unit. Ensure a secure fit by firmly pushing the adapter into place. Attach one end of the flexible hose to the opening on the front air inlet duct adapter. The other end of the hose can be directed outside the space where the air conditioner is located, allowing it to draw in pre-cooled air from the surrounding environment. Please note that there are two versions of air inlets. The front air inlet duct adapter for Mark II on our website can be directly compatible with the V2 version without any trimming required. However, if you wish to adapt it to the V1 version, you will need to trim the adapter yourself. Please follow the instructions on our website. The link is provided below the description.